Yo, what's up everybody, it's Moss Hustles. Listen up because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you today. If you're unemployed or just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this one's for you. I'll show you 3 online hustles anyone can start today. No degree, no investment. That's right, you don't need a fancy degree or a stack of cash to start making money online. These are side hustles anyone can do from anywhere in the world. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into these money-making opportunities. Alright guys, the first hustle is all about getting paid to share your opinion. Imagine getting paid just for telling companies what you think about their websites and apps. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real, and it's called user testing. You know how much I love giving away money, but did you know you can get paid for just using the internet? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn money by simply browsing websites and using apps just like you normally do every day. It's called user testing, and it's as simple as it sounds. This platform connects companies with real users who can provide honest feedback on their digital products. And the best part, you get paid for your time and opinions. Companies want to know what real people think of their websites and apps, and they're willing to pay you for your honest feedback. Here's how it works. You get to test out new features, explore different functionalities, and share your thoughts on what works and what doesn't. You sign up for a free account on usertesting.com. The registration process is straightforward and user-friendly. You just need to provide some basic information about yourself. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes. Once you're done, you're ready to start testing. No lengthy applications or complicated procedures. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of different testing opportunities pop up. These can range from testing a new app to exploring a revamped website. Each test comes with specific instructions and guidelines to help you complete it effectively. They're always adding new tests, so there's always something to do. You can choose the tests that interest you the most or fit into your schedule. Flexibility is key here. Now, each test only takes about 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from $10 to $60 per test. The amount you earn depends on the complexity and length of the test. That's some serious cash for just clicking around and sharing your thoughts. Imagine getting paid for something you already do in your free time. Imagine making an extra $100 just by chilling at home in your pajamas. You can do this from the comfort of your own home, without any need to commute or adhere to a strict schedule. The best part is, you don't need any special skills or experience. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who just uses the internet casually, you can participate. All you need is a computer or a smartphone, a stable internet connection, and the ability to speak your mind. Seriously, that's it. You don't need to be an expert. Just be yourself and share your honest opinions. So if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to make some extra cash, head over to usertesting.com and sign up today. It's a great way to earn money on the side while helping companies improve their products. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to start earning money online. Give it a try and see for yourself how rewarding it can be to share your opinions and get paid for it. Alright guys, let's talk about another awesome online hustle that can help you stack some serious cash. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your home, or anywhere with an internet connection, then this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Rev.com. Now if you're a whiz at typing and have a knack for grammar, this one's right up your alley. Imagine getting paid for something you already do every day, typing. Whether you're a fast typist or just someone who enjoys the process of turning spoken words into written text, Rev.com has a place for you. Rev.com is a platform that connects businesses and individuals with skilled transcribers and captioners. It's a bridge between those who need transcription services and those who can provide them. This means there's always a demand for your skills, and you can find a steady stream of work. Basically, you get paid to type out audio and video files. This could be anything from business meetings, interviews, podcasts, to even YouTube videos. The variety of content keeps the work interesting and engaging. It's like getting paid to watch movies and TV shows, but instead of just kicking back, you're turning those words into text. Imagine transcribing your favorite shows or interesting documentaries. It's a fun way to make money while staying entertained. Signing up is a breeze. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, so you won't have to jump through hoops to get started. Just head over to rev.com and create a free account. Fill in your details, and you're almost ready to start earning. You'll need to take a quick grammar quiz to show them you've got the skills, but don't sweat it. It's nothing too intense. This step ensures that the quality of work on the platform remains high, which is beneficial for everyone involved. Once you're in, you can browse through a ton of different transcription tasks and choose the ones that pique your interest. The variety of tasks means you can always find something that suits your preferences and skill level. They've got everything from short audio clips to full-blown lectures and interviews. This diversity ensures that you never get bored and can always find something that matches your interest and expertise. The best part is, you're in complete control. You decide what projects to take on and when to work on them. You get to pick the projects you want to work on, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. Whether you prefer working from a cozy corner in your home, a bustling cafe, or even while traveling, the choice is yours. It's the ultimate side hustle for anyone who values flexibility and freedom. You can fit this work around your existing commitments, making it perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to supplement their income. And the earning potential is pretty sweet too. You can see your earnings grow as you complete more tasks, giving you a tangible sense of accomplishment. You get paid per audio minute, and the rates vary depending on the complexity of the audio. This means that more challenging tasks can earn you more money, rewarding your skills and effort. But on average, you can easily make around $100 a week working part-time. If you decide to put in more hours, your earnings can increase significantly. Not bad for just typing away in your spare time, right? So, if you're ready to turn your typing skills into cash, give Rev.com a try and start earning today. Chapter 3. Make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing on Gumroad. Alright guys, let's talk about the holy grail of online hustles: affiliate marketing. This is a strategy that has been around for years, and for good reason. It's a proven method to generate passive income, and the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world. This is how you make money while you sleep, literally. Imagine waking up to find that you've made sales overnight. It's a fantastic feeling and a real game changer for your financial freedom. And the best part is, you don't need your own product or website to get started. You can leverage other people's products and still make a significant income. This means no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service headaches. We're going to be using a platform called Gumroad, which makes it super easy to find and promote digital products. Gumroad is user-friendly and offers a wide range of products that you can promote as an affiliate. Now, Gumroad is a platform where creators can sell digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, software, and more. This variety means you can find something that aligns perfectly with your interests or your audience's needs. As an affiliate, your job is to connect those creators with potential customers and earn a commission on every sale you make. It's a win-win situation for both you and the creators. Here's how it works. First, you need to create a free Gumroad affiliate account. The sign-up process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you can browse through thousands of different products in various niches. Whether you're into tech, fitness, art, or business, there's something for everyone. Find something you're passionate about or that you think your audience would love. Passion is key because it makes promoting the product much easier and more genuine. Next, you need to start promoting your affiliate links. This is where your creativity comes into play. The more engaging and valuable your content, the more likely people are to click on your links. And this is where it gets fun. You can experiment with different types of content and see what resonates best with your audience. You can share your links on social media, your blog, your email list, or even in the comments section of relevant websites and forums. The possibilities are endless. The key is to create engaging content that provides value to your audience. Think about what problems your audience is facing and how the product you're promoting can solve them. Don't just spam your links everywhere. This can turn people off and damage your credibility. Instead, write helpful reviews, create tutorials, or share your personal experience with the product. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust with your audience. Now, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you get paid even after you've made the sale. This means you can continue to earn commissions long after you've done the initial work. So, if someone clicks on your link and buys the product a month from now, you still get a commission. This delayed gratification can be incredibly rewarding. It's like planting seeds that continue to grow and generate income over time. The more effort you put in initially, the more you'll reap the benefits in the long run. So there you have it, guys. 3 awesome online hustles that anyone can start today with no experience and no investment. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or build a full-time income online, these hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one of these hustles and commit to giving it a try. You never know what you can achieve until you take that first step. Which hustle are you trying first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching.